So everything is okay. Let us make the issue more clear. Since the very beginning, there has been a rumbling anticipation that XRP will accomplish a significant milestone or achievement. The sum of $110,000 was not only a possibility, but it was also a given and an estimate from the beginning. Those projections have recently been given a significant advance. This image is being endorsed by none other than Larry Fink of BlackRock, and he is not just talking about a paltry $10,000 per share. We are addressing this image. My goodness, he is making it sound like a fundamental must. First things first, before we take the leap, let's get right down to the meat of today's issue. I am in need of some assistance. You should go ahead and push the button that says subscribe, as well as beat that button and ring that notification. Rest assured, things are going to get better. XRP is currently being given serious attention for use in international transactions by titans of finance such as Bell, BlackRock, and Vanguard. Concerning BlackRock, there are rumors going around. The release of an exchange-traded fund, ETF with an emphasis on XRP is, indeed, what you heard, but there is more. Please be patient. Since Larry Fink is not content to stop there, he is currently investigating the enormous real estate market, which is worth $30 trillion, and he has discovered the secret to the industry's future. You guessed it. With an incredible $1.20 quadrillion from and worldwide swaps through, ISDA, the association, is set up to go through the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger is prepared to tokenize everything, and it is also equipped to tokenize everything. As far as Ledger and Ripple are concerned, we are not simply talking about $10,000 per XRP here. That is child's play. A value increase of up to $60,000 is something that we might be able to anticipate. Now let's get something going. In the subsequent part of the article, Larry is of the opinion that BlackRock has just released yet another shocking. He is not merely expressing his thoughts. Rather, he is creating the impression that Ripple and its digital asset, XRP, are poised to engage in a very big activity. Tokenizing each and every facet, and in the sequence that follows, one of the elements that makes up our video is a clip that we have. The focus will be drawn to that, because Larry appears to be confirming BlackRock's approach toward an XRP exchange-traded fund. We won't have to wait much longer than we already have. Here is the video clip that you have been anticipating. Permit me to handle this. Another example of how we are legitimizing Bitcoin and boosting its safety is by waiting for the introduction of the Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Fund, ETF. Do you intend to go through with another ETF? A XRP could be anything of interest. I am aware that there is Ether waiting for you out there, ATF. Keep in mind, XRP. Might you be able to respond to that? However, I am unable to perform what you ask me to do. Actually, I do. Not all of them can be in harmony. Give me the WP if you don't mind. I am appreciative. Recent days have been marked by a whirlwind of anomalies in the world of cryptocurrencies, particularly with regard to this image of XRP that was posted on the well-known cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com, whose value skyrocketed to an amazing $43,000. There is not a single instance of this happening. It is part of a bigger pattern in which the value of XRP has seen an unanticipated increase. To refresh your memory, we discussed a situation involving $7,000 worth of XRP at a prominent exchange just the week before. Now is the time for Crypto.com, and it would appear that sudden jumps in the price of XRP are becoming more typical on a number of different exchanges. In spite of this, let us completely redirect our attention to something else. Something that I found out through lengthy investigation that is equally amazing, but has nothing to do with BlackRock or the general increase in the price of XRP. As the majority of you are probably aware, we are going to talk about Gary Gensler, who is a well-known chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, who succeeded Clinton Jake. On a consistent basis, Gensler evaluates XRP as a security. The most fascinating section is right here. Gary's brother, Robert M. Gensler, is an incredibly similar brother who is the same age as Gary. There is no comparison between the two. In the company T-Price, Robert plays an important role. During this time period, you are serving as the vice president of the company, and you come to the realization that TR Pricing is not just ordinary investing firm if you look any closer. It holds a huge amount of XRP in addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum, making it one of the largest investors in the blockchain industry. Therefore, this has a link that is quite interesting. In contrast, Gary Gindler was the one behind the wheel of the vehicle. As of right now, the SEC continues to consider XRP to be a security. XRP and other cryptocurrencies are among the investments held by his twin brother, who is a key stakeholder in an investment company that has a sizable position in the market. This is a very interesting position. It raises a lot of questions and concerns. Regarding the intricate factors that are at work in the domain of cryptocurrency investments and regulations, this brings us to the intriguing prospect that Robert Gindler, the vice president of T. Rowe Price, possesses a unique understanding of how much potential XRP have, similar to how Bitcoin possesses this information. Ethereum as well. This hypothesis is gaining more and more support. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has publicly denied any involvement in insider trading. However, a number of studies and papers have indicated otherwise. These studies, which focus on insider trading and market manipulation, have frequently brought to light questionable SEC operations. When you take into account the company's substantial holdings in these three cryptocurrencies, the SEC has openly denied any insider trading. It appears that a pattern is beginning to emerge. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC personnel, appear to be advising their family members about the digital assets that may soon be exempt from the classification as securities. After then, these relatives make early investments in these assets, and when the asset is technically judged to be not a security, its value skyrockets. This enables these friends and family members to make a substantial profit by purchasing assets at a cheap price and selling them at a high price in this circumstance. Let us investigate the likelihood that Robert and Gindler were privy to confidential information on the potential loss of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in a lawsuit brought against XRP by his brother Gary Gindler. It is possible that such information will signal that Congress will work toward reaching a settlement. Now is the ideal time for intelligent investors to purchase XRP, but as the price of the cryptocurrency continues to rise, money is being funneled toward Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most crucially, XRP, adding another chapter to this story. Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission are both working together to make this happen. There is a lot of discussion in the cryptocurrency sector about the possibility of XRP reaching $10,000, $20,000, or even higher, or perhaps $60,000, particularly from analysts who have been optimistic on the commodity, such as Jack the Ripper, who anticipates a significant growth in value that might surpass $580. This prognosis, albeit being daring, brings to light the growing attention and speculation that surrounds XRP and the potential it possesses in the cryptocurrency sector. Wall Street is competing with one another for a share of the lucrative XRP pie, and if my intuition is correct, the first substantial move will be made through the use of an XRP